So here we have the Volkswagen Touran on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the boot, you can see we have reversing sensors. Currently all 7 seats are in place, so this is the amount of boot space you have as a 7-seater. Let me show you what it's like with the 2 rear seats folded down. As you can see, you get loads of space when you do that. The 3 remaining seats will also fold down should you need even more space than this. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. So on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle there, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 7,491. Above that, we have various different bits of trip computer and car information, including, if you wish to, a digital readout for the speedometer. So permanently, you can have this digital readout for the speedometer displayed there. There are other menus available as well. They include assist systems, navigation, your audio, phone, and vehicle status, and then back round to where we started again. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using just a moment ago are over here, along with phone controls and stereo controls. Stereo controls continue on the left with cruise control just there. Once you set cruise control, if you hit that button in the middle, this car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down according to the car in front's speed. There's a video showing how that works that you can find on our website and also on our YouTube channel as well. Working our way over to the touchscreen in the center, you can see you can pair your phone on here. You've got your satellite navigation as well just here. There's a full video showing the satellite navigation working on both our website and YouTube channel. When it comes to music, we have the radio, of course, and you'll see this car has got DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. You can hit the media tab just there. There are plenty of ways to listen to it. So we have CD, SD memory card input, auxiliary input, and Bluetooth audio as well. So you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. Working our way down from that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperatures. So you can increase and decrease the fan speed and determine where you'd like the air to be distributed within the car. When you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning off, back on again. Or you can hit auto. The car will now take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain those temperatures for you. You can override that whenever you wish to. At the bottom here, we can turn the parking sensors on and off. This one turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now turned off. And this will change the driving setup of the car. So you can put it in eco, normal, sport, or individual. Whichever one you put it in, or when you put it in individual, you are able to customize and change the settings as you wish. Finally, we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket as well as your auxiliary and USB inputs, electronic handbrake with auto hold function. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.